Have you ever woken up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Have you ever struggled with low energy in the middle of a workout? Have you ever found yourself dozing off in the middle of an important meeting? Your energy levels and attention directly correlate to your productivity. Introducing Afresh Energy Drink Mix Tulsi Flavour by Herbalife Nutrition. With less than 4 kcal per serving, Afresh Energy Drink Mix Tulsi is a convenient, on-the-go energy drink mix that helps in uplifting your attention and alertness. The natural flavor of Tulsi, extracted from fresh Krishna Tulsi leaves, imparts a feeling of freshness. A fresh energy drink mix Tulsi makes for a refreshing drink. It contains caffeine that provides a gentle boost, helps you feel energized, and supports mental alertness and concentration, reaction time, and aids to rejuvenate your mind and body. Start your day afresh with a fresh energy drink mix.